All right, so just now we established that e to the power of x is ix is indeed cos of x plus I sine of x. So now there's a lot of trick we can do about this one because now we can do e to the power of negative ix. So what this means is this is equals to cos negative x plus I sine negative x. However, cos of a negative angle is really just equals to the angle itself because cos is independent of positive and negatives. However, sine is the other way because if you put a negative angle in sine, it will split out the negatives. So now we have cos of x minus I sine of x. If we look at these two for a minute, if we have cos of x plus I sine of x and cos of x minus I sine of x, if we add this together, we will actually end up with 2 cos of x equals to e to the power of ix, and then did I say plus? Yeah, plus e to the power of ix. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. So if you continue that idea, cos of x plus I sine of x, and if you add these two together, you get this. So now we have the new definition for cos of x is really equals to e to the power of ix plus e to the power of, that's a negative there, plus a negative ix over 2. That's when we add them together. However, if we subtract them, if I subtract one by another, we will now have e to the power of ix minus e to the power of negative ix is equals to, so cos and cos will cancel out. However, sine and sine minus the negative thing becomes a positive. Now we have 2 I sine x. Nothing too scary. And now the new definition of sine x is equals to e to the power of ix minus e to the power of negative ix over 2I.